Transforming business through the cloud. That's what I'm working on. I'm an IDM. Let's build a smarter plan.
Okay, you got the vinegar?
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now the point is that you have to put it in as fast as you can, okay? So we're going to pour it in this. Dump it all at once. Go.
Cool.
Wow, it's exploding. The orange worked well. Look at it go. It's exploding. Oh, sorry. Awesome.
Let's do that again.
Let's do it again.
Yeah. Can you do it one more time? Can I see a video?
We didn't get it all in the volcano.
Can I see a video?
Okay, let's try it again.